Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Vienna Drive here at Kandel stand, taking a look at the all-new Toyota RAV4. This is the European model. The car has got the Austrian premiere here, and now we will take a look at the details of this new 6th generation model. So first of all, you notice completely new design language from Toyota, very robust styling. On the front you can see the new bumper. Just take a look at the attention to details here on the grille itself. Of course, the Toyota badge in the middle, very muscular appearance, I would say, and I'm a big fan of this new design. Now here the LEDs, the daytime running LEDs, and then the main units. The lighting signature is a bit different depending on the trim that you get. So I filmed also other trims as well on other locations, so you will be able to see more details also on the channel if you check it out. Now moving on to the side, take a look at those wheel arches. They were always very special on Toyota RAV4 models, and so is here on this new generation. Let's check out the wheels. We have the Dunlop tires, dimension 235/60 R18. I really love the styling here, and also I believe these are very comfortable. You can of course go for the bigger ones as well. Model in our video is the plug-in hybrid. New Toyota RAV4 comes either with hybrid or plug-in hybrid powertrains. I will talk about that a bit later on. Also, you will be able to see the details of powertrains in the description. Now we move on to the rear of the car. This is so nice. I love this angle. The completely new taillights with gorgeous lighting signature. As you can see, then RAV4 lettering. The lights are connected with this part here, and RAV4 lettering, I think, very nice font and styling in my opinion. Of course, the Toyota badge as well, plug-in hybrid lettering, and immediately I will now open the tailgate. There we go, electric tailgate, and here loads of room, as you can see. And now underneath this cover you also have the spare wheel, so also the cables for your charging, and then some convenient features, the power outlet. Of course, you can put this roller for maximum privacy, but for now let's put it in this position. Press this to close the tailgate. Rear view camera, very pronounced roof spoiler, as you can see. Also, I really love the way that it finishes here, of course, for both the looks and the aerodynamics. And lower section of the bumper has got this very cool pattern. You may notice it on the front as well. So I want to hear your thoughts on the design from outside. Now it's time to check out the interior. So this is it. We are greeted with the illuminated RAV4 lettering, and these are the seats. Of course, again, depending on the trim, different styling available. Door panel has got the buttons here for the windows and the mirrors, and loads of room here in the door pocket. So you have this section for the bottle, and actually I will turn off the lights. There we go, section for the bottle and additional room in here. Of course, we can change the position of the seat like this. Lumbar support, not sure how much the camera is catching it, and completely new layout of the dashboard. So without further ado, let's jump on board. There we go, here it is. So the digital cockpit in front of the driver and the main touchscreen with the new infotainment system. Very nice and modern layout, but still feels very robust, I would say. I mean, just look at the drive selector here, and then also you have some USB-C ports. The AC controls here would be on touch, and then for the temperature you can push those buttons in here. Cup holders that are adjustable, and again, very robust styling. This is the gear selector for the automatic transmission. And check out this cool detail. The storage compartment, you can open it from this side, but also from the other side as well. So well done, Toyota. Here, decent amount of room in the glove compartment. And yeah, definitely nice styling here in front of us. Tell me in the comments, what do you think? You can put your glasses here. These are the lights, so press this to turn it on or off. And the sun visor, hello there, and also for the passenger. And now the infotainment system. So as you can see, we have the lovely layout, a very nice and clean design in my opinion. You can also customize the widgets. And on the left you have the shortcuts. So this is the map view. You can change the views by pressing this. There we go. We are in the lovely city of Vienna. Now on the left you have some other shortcuts. There we go. And the settings. Here is where you can adjust a bunch of things. And the AC controls would be here. We would need the key for that, but it's pretty easy to use it. I saw it on the other model at Brussels Motor Show, so you can watch that video on my channel. So here is where you would adjust the air blower, and then with those you adjust the temperature, and you see also some other options here on the screen, but again we would need the key for that. So I want to hear your thoughts on this new infotainment system. There's also this dark theme available as well. Okay, time to check out the rear bench. First of all, the door panel with a similar design to the one on the front. You can put a bottle in here. Now without further ado, let's jump on board. I will put the flash on. Okay, then close the door. And here we have the storage room, USB-C ports, the air vents, in the middle the armrest. I feel very comfortable. I will show you now the situation for my head. And by the way, the light is here as well. The amount of room that I have here is so impressive because look at this. Have in mind that I'm 1.87 m. Time to talk about the powertrains, and the latest hybrid technology is at the heart of this new RAV4 model. You can go for the hybrid or plug-in hybrid models, so you can go either for the front-wheel drive or the intelligent all-wheel drive. Now also for the first time the plug-in hybrid is available again with the front-wheel drive. And let us now do another walk around, this time with the daytime running lights turned on, and also I've turned on the fog lights. So you see the daytime running lights on this trim are a bit different compared to the other ones that I filmed. So you see they're here, and then on the top of the line versions you would have a bit of a different lighting signature. The fog lamps nicely incorporated here into the lower section of the bumper. I really love the styling once again of the car, and with the fog lights turned on, very nice appearance on the road. Now let me show you from the rear how it looks with the fog lamp turned on. So it's on the left. You see it's on this side, very noticeable, and overall nice and clean design for the lights. Right guys, so that was it, the new Toyota RAV4. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe for more and see you on the next video. Bye bye.